ACCSAP9 lets you use all 630 questions any way that meets your needs. Each of the 12 topics in the main dashboard has associated questions. Simply click on the Questions button next to the topic to begin. You can build a quiz to meet your individual needs by customizing Study or Test Mode, Study Topics, Question Types, and Number of Questions. Take a simulated board exam session by auto-generating 60 random questions. You have 2 hours to complete and will receive a score sheet with your results. We provide a link from each question to its related text so you can quickly and easily learn more on that subject. The Quiz and Exam History allows you to resume attempts not yet completed. You may sort by date, mode, and score. As you answer questions within the product, the topic dashboard and answer sheets update to reflect your progress. ACCSAP9, redesigned to meet your needs. ACC Education, always learning,